Welcome back to Study Ease channel. In this video, we will teach you the elements from 1 to 10, how to link them with peg word, and how to make a story so that whenever you recall the weird story, the element comes up to your mind. Let us begin with the peg letters and the numbers. The number 0 corresponds to the letter S. The number 1 corresponds to the standing letters of D and T, and the number 2 corresponds to the letter N, and the number 3 is similar to the shape of letter M, and the number 4 is for R. F-O-U-R. 4 is for R. Now, when you stretch your palm out with the 5 fingers, the shape between the thumb finger and your ring finger is L, and use it to remember the 5 as L. The letter 6 corresponds to G, J, and the Hindi letters Ch and J. The number 7 corresponds to letter K. When you write K in the capital form, the number 7 appears in the upper and the lower part. And the number 8 corresponds to F. The shape of F is just similar to the cursive F letter. And the number 9 corresponds to B or P in the inverted form. These peg letters with the numbers will be used to make peg words so that when you want to recall the element linking with the atomic number, a story comes up and you remember the element. Let's begin with the atomic number 1 element, hydrogen. Now, the first element, hydrogen, has an atomic number of 1. So, the peg word for this hydrogen element is suit. So, in this suit word, the S letter corresponds to 0 and T, the standing letter, is 1. So, the number 01 is nothing but 1 of hydrogen corresponds to dragon. How you must remember, or the picture runs in your mind, is a dragon wears a suit and goes to the party. The thing is weird, right? Yeah, that's the basic idea behind this method. How much our weird is your thoughts, that much you remember things better. As soon as the story of dragon wearing a suit and going to the party comes up to your mind, you can easily come up with the element hydrogen. The second element, helium, atomic number 2. The peg word for this element is sun. S for 0, N for 2. Now, here, how do you make a story? The story comes up like, when you're standing in the sun with bare foot, obviously your heel will burn like hell. Now, here comes the element. Heel comes up with helium. It's easy, right? Now, the third element, lithium, has an atomic number of 03. The peg word here is sumo. S for 0, M for 3. Now, think it. Imagine it. A sumo, a huge sumo wrestler, has a big lathi in his hand. Lathi means stick. Here, it is weird, right? A sumo fights with his hand, but not with the stick. But when you think in a weird way, it comes easily to your mind, so that lathi comes up with lithium. The fourth element of atomic number 4 is beryllium. Here, the peg word is sir. S for 0, R for 4. Imagine the story very clearly. Your sir is eating a very huge and a big strawberry in your classroom during class hours without giving it to you. Now, when you think of the word sir and strawberry, you can automatically come up with beryllium, right? The fifth element is boron. Here, atomic number of 05. The peg word is sail. S for 0, L for 5. Now, in a supermarket, the Boro Plus cream is the product which is sold at most huge price. Now, as soon as you remember the word sale and the Boro Plus cream, the element boron comes up to your mind easily. The next element is carbon with the atomic number 06. Here, the peg word is sage. Sage in Hindi it means sadhu, or in English it means being silent. The story comes up like a silent child is eating a big bun inside a car. A bun, car. The element is carbon. So it comes up like sage, the peg word, car, bun. The element is carbon.
The next element is nitrogen of an atomic number 07. The peg word is sky. Think of a dark sky when it appears in the night. Night means nitrogen. Here you can easily come up with the story of a sky being dark in the night, nitrogen. Oxygen with an atomic number of 08. The peg word here is sofa. Here the story is like, think of a huge ox. The animal is lying in the sofa watching TV. So whenever someone asks you what is the element of atomic number 8, you should first remember the sofa. Then what is lying in the sofa? An ox, an animal. So from ox you can easily come up with the oxygen. Fluorine of atomic number 09. The peg word here is soap. 0 for S, P for 9. On the floor, a soap is lying and you, without noticing it, you keep your leg on the soap and you fall down. From here, you can easily come up with the word soap and floor with the element of fluorine.
Neon with an atomic number of 10. The peg word is dosa. Here D for 1, S for 0. Imagine you fell down on a floor with your knee being injured. Now, instead of sticking a plaster to your knee, you stick a dosa to it. Since the thought is being so weird, so whenever you come up with the peg word dosa, you will automatically link with knee and the element neon comes up to your mind. In this video, we have taught you the elements from 1 to 10. Since most of us know the elements 1 to 10 by heart, it is easy to link the element with the atomic number. But as the element goes higher, it is difficult for us to remember the element with the atomic number. In such cases, the peg word method plays a crucial role in it. So here the basic idea is you make weird thoughts, and whenever someone asks you the atomic number, you link it with the peg word, and the peg word will automatically follow with the thought which you made, and from that you can finally get with the element